Welcome watching the FD machine installing video. Tools preparation. Please prepare these tools before install the machine. Manually open the safety lock. Before the machine power on, please manually unlock the door. Remove the fixed brackets. There are two fixed brackets installed inside the machine. During long-distance transposition, please remove the brackets before the machine is powered on. Inject the hydraulic oil. Please open the hydraulic oil station back of the machine and fill with hydraulic oil according to the level line. Suggest to use the number 16-8 hydraulic oil. Connecting power supply. Connect the wires to the circuit breaker in preparation. It is essential to ensure that the circuit breaker power is turned off. Try connecting any wire to the power source one by one. Connecting the ground wire. All the wires are connected. Turn on the circuit breaker switch. Turn on the machine power switch. Turn the off into on. Turn on the system power supply. Now let's check if the hydraulic oil gauge shows normal pressure. The hydraulic oil gauge currently shows no pressure. Let's turn off all the power and reconnect the electricity. Turn off the machine power switch. Turn off the circuit breaker power. Randomly select two wires and swap their positions to reconnect the electricity. If the hydraulic gauge still shows no pressure, please repeat the process of swapping the wires until the gauge shows normal pressure. Turn on the machine's power switch. Turn on the system's power. Let's check the hydraulic oil gauge again. Now, all the pressure readings are normal. Connect the oil cooler. Turn off all the power supply first. Please fill with number 5 to 10 cooling oil. Connect the power connector in right position. Connect the oil inlet and oil outlet to the correct positions. Use a wrench to tighten the screws. Spindles return to origin. Turn on all the power again. Turn on the system power. FD machine spindles will show a return to origin alarm each time it starts up. It shows the tips about return to origin and alarming. We just need to clear the alarm. First, release the emergency switch to clean the emergency stop alarm. Second, clear the return the origin alarm by using these two buttons on the operating system interface. The sub-spindle is returning to origin. Now let's do it again to clear the main spindle return to origin alarm. Now the main spindle is returning to origin. When both spindles have confirmed that return to origin, the spindles will stop and stop alarming. Adjust the machine balance. Place the gradient on the gum holder as shown in the video. Use a wrench to adjust the machine's leveling balls based on the direction indicated by the gradienter. The machine's castings should not be in direct contact with the ground. There should be a gap between the base and the floor. The reading on the gradienter is in the middle, which means the adjustment is complete. Follow the same steps as before, using a wrench to adjust the leveling balls to adjust the machine's level. The gradienter reading is balanced now. Inject the lubricating oil. Open the cabinet door behind the machine's cover. Low oil pressure alarm. Need to add lubricating oil. Please fill with number 16-8 lubricating oil. Inject the lubricating oil. After injecting, press the SET button for boiling. Boiling finished, can close the door. Install the water pump and water tank. Place the water pump in the corresponding position in the water tank. Fix the position of the water pump with screws. Push the water tank to the rear position of the machine tool, aligning it closely with the machine tool's drainage outlet. Connect the water pump power connector. Install the chip conveyor. Please use a sling to lift one end of the chip removal machine. Put the conveyor into the position of the chip removal machine. Push the chip removal machine to the end place. Please check whether the four corners of the chip removal are close to the machine inside and leave no gaps. Connect the chip conveyor power connector. Install the main spindle chuck. Clean the transition disc first. Clean the spindle. Find the corresponding screw hole position and install it. Fasten the screws in turn. Installation and commissioning table. Adjusting the jump of transition disc.
啊。这个没有，颜色不知道。
这样就可以。
对对对。
Determine the position of the draw tool button. Install the draw tool. Clean the spindle chuck. Install the spindle chuck. Determine the positioning link of the spindle part, and the screw can be locked. Install the collet of main spindle. Please make sure the collet is clean and there's no chips on it. Collet installation completed. Install the sub-spindle chuck. Clean the transition disc. Install it and match in the right position. Install the screws in turn. Let's move the sub-spindle out manually. Install the sub-spindle jaw tool. Ready to install the sub-spindle chuck. Loose the screws of the sub-spindle chuck. Take off the collet of the sub-spindle. Install the mechanical pusher into the sub-spindle chuck. Rotate and tighten to the end. Clean the sub-spindle chuck surface. Install the sub-spindle chuck. Install the collet. The material pusher and sub-spindle chuck are working. Connect the full switch. Connect the power connector with the machine tool. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your working.